So this is how to buy Aave Crypto or AAVE Crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys open up the Robinhood app, go to the bottom in the middle and then press on the magnifying glass. Once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol, go ahead and type in AAVE and then select it. Once it is here at the bottom, press buy. Then in the top right, if you select market order, you can choose to do a market order in Canadian dollars, or if you want to do a market order in AAVE, you can do that as well. I will just keep it in this video in Canadian dollars. Now, once you're here, you can then type in how much of this crypto you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $1 worth, you could type in 1 and then press review. Then on this page, you can review the order so you can check how much of AAVE you're buying, the fees, as well as the cost. And if this looks good, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy AAVE or Aave crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.